subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Muswobi.
Thanks for staying tuned to Face TV Africa. APC must create a room for Tinubu, others to contest Babachir Lawal. APC has been told to allow Bola Ahmed Tinubu to contest for 2023 presidency. Former SGL Babachir Lawal made this plea as he spoke broadly on zoning and 2023 politics. Lawal said the APC national leaders list for politics and is the force behind President Muhammadu Buhari's victory in 2015. Babachir Lawal, a former secretary in the government of the Federation, has tipped former Lagos State Governor Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his presidency in 2023. Lawal, who had his voice in the 2023 presidency and the politics of zoning, said the All Progressive Congress APC national leaders must be given a strong backing to succeed Buhari because he has done a lot for the ruling party. According to him, the APC national leaders was the narrowhead of the democratic and revolution that made the defeat of the former president Goodluck Jonathan possible. Lawal said that the former governor lives for politics and is the force behind President Muhammadu Buhari's victory in 2015. Speaking about the former Lagos State Governor, Lawal described Tinubu as a man who has the tentacles spread across the corporate world, was the only man who knew where and how to raise the money needed. Tinubu does not like to take credit for what he does. He lives for politics, gets his money from politics, and spends it on politics. He has no other interest except politics. Lawal. The money is spent out of his pocket that is uncountable for outside the party's campaign finances and quite amorous. I know this because he is my friend and because I am also involved in Buhari's government. Lawal. Therefore, except we want to bring the wrath of God on our head, which we don't want, the party must create an environment that is free and fair for anybody who wants to contest, including Tinubu. To do so, let's vote Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the former SGF said. As the politicians continue to outplay one another ahead of the 2023 general election, a founding member of APC, Buba Galadima, has said the leadership crisis rocking the party is as a result of politics of 2023 presidency. Galadima, who had made this known with Daily Sun, further buttressed that power play in ruling party has huge connections with the ambitions of some chieftains who want to succeed President Muhammadu Buhari after his tenure. Thanks for staying tuned to Face TV Africa. I still remain your one and only girl, Oduwole Timitokwe. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can follow us on other social media platforms, Face TV Africa.
Asiwaju Bola Tinubu shugaban Yarba a gaba daya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Tinubu a yamma sallama jagoran Yarba hawa daya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Ahmed Bola yayi kokari lokacin sa da tarin dukiya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Lagos Ogun Ondo Oyo, Ochin Ekiti daga daya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Yemi Oshibando na ciki yana kishin mai gaskiya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Galaya Muhammad na ciki mai baki bashi da wariya. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Ebe kulle Amosu na ciki Kayode Bayomi na ciki. Oshigongo Omoyoba, Ambode shi ma yana ciki Isiyaka Ajimo Biyaka. Basho na kayo kokari garkuwan Tinubu baka faɗi ba. Oshigongo Omoyoba, gwamnan Lagos man gaida kai a yakin nan kai gaba. Oshigongo Omoyoba, ga Abdurrahman gwamnan Oshun Maribi Sola ban bar shi ba. Oshigongo Omoyoba, kun taimaki 'yan Najeriya. Allahumma ba minu je, Allahumma ba minu je, mama jan ba musiba bade. Allahumma ba minu je, Allahun tu sayi mutube, Allahun tu sayi mutube, iwaro la ulo ma iwo. Allahun tu sayi mutube, Allahun kuti mininu, Allahun kuti mininu, alikiyama ishadi jibe, Allahun kuti mininu. Jama'a barkanmu da arziki, bana dai PDP ta tafi, Buhari ya nemi ku godiya.
ilé ayé fàájì ni o. Ọgbà ìláyé tó ṣe sọ́mọ́ tí ó yá. Ó màmá ní jẹ́rù ó bẹ̀ dá o. Yo yo yo, yo yo yo, yo yo yo, yo yo yo. Akada ṣaṣa ó ti lé. Ó ṣe mọ́ látọ̀nà láwùtọ̀ ọláyàpá. Ẹsẹ̀ yan mi ra tata, èmi tó lè kọ́ lẹ́yìn, ìgbà rọ̀dún kan ní. Olúwabùsọ́lá ṣàmú bàrò di ẹni rẹ̀. Abíọ́dún ọdún làwọn mi èèyàn mi rà tata. Torí ọ̀dẹ tó ń ṣọ́ Ẹlẹ́dùmarè orí ẹ̀dùn ló máa kú sí. Ọ̀dẹ tó ń ṣọ́ Ẹlẹ́dùmarè orí ẹ̀dùn ló máa kú sí. Ìjà alára ò tán bọ̀rọ̀, àǹjù wọn ò ṣe ní lẹ́jọ́. Ọdẹ tó ń ṣá Ẹlẹ́dùmarè orí ẹ̀ ló máa kú sí. Mo lọ ọ̀tá mi mo lọ, mo lọ ọ̀tá mi mo lọ. Ìṣẹ́ yẹ kẹ́yẹ máa fò lójú ọ̀run, ìṣẹ́ kú kẹ́kù máa rìn nínú ìṣó. Ìṣẹ́jà kẹjà máa wẹ̀ nínú ibú. Igi nánà dínà kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ kó kọjá. Ó lọ ọ̀tá mi kò lọ. Ó lọ ọ̀tá mi kò lọ. Kí yọ̀ mí yọ̀ mí rà tata. Fowó dé, fowó dé, fowó dé, fowó dé, fowó dé, fowó dé, fowó dé. Fowó dé lọ sọ pé ìmọ̀ bá lọ́wọ́ máa fi lò gbà sára bí o. Àwọn aṣọ tó dáa. Ajang tó dá, agbádùn ara mi máa ṣe fàájì dọ́gba. Bóyá lọ́la ikú lè dé lójijì. Ẹlẹ́dàkájọ́ ẹ̀dàgbàgbé àti ìsìn.
Subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.